Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x, where x to the power 17 plus x to the power 17 is equal to 2 to the power 52, or x to the power 17 plus x to the power 17, we can write this as 2 times of x to the power 17 is equal to right side, this is 2 to the power 52. Now divided both side by 2, we will get left side 2 times x to the power of 17 divided by 2 is equal to right side, this is 2 to the power of 52 divided by this 2. We have divided both side by this 2, or this 2 and this 2 will cancel out and it will be x to the power 17 is equal to, now this 2 is 2 to the power 1. Now according to exponential formula, this formula a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So applying this formula, this 2 as a and this 52 as m and this 1 as n. So you can write 2 to the power of 52 minus this 1, or left side x to the power 17 is equal to right side this 2 to the power of 52 minus 1, this will be 51. Or now raising both sides power by 1 over 17, we will get x to the power of 17 whole to the power of 1 over 17 is equal to right side, this is 2 to the power 51 whole to the power of 1 over 17. Or now applying this exponential formula, a to the power m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So applying this formula, we can write x to the power of this 17 times 1 over 17 is equal to this 2 to the power of 51 times this 1 over 17. Now this 17 and this 17 will cancel and it will remain 1, and x to the power 1, this will be x is equal to this right side 2 to the power of this 51 divided by 17 will get 3. So 2 to the power of this 3. So the value of x is equal to 2 to the power 3, this is 8. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.